ONMD stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Onemednet stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now here's the key part here. Onemednet is already bearish, and I'll just get rid of this. Also, I have a lot of receipts. I have like one receipt here in Discord. But key part, like key factor, is going to be that only if I see a double break, I would better look to take things down. Randomly selling, man, is just not going to be happening, and all I'm certainly doing in the meantime is waiting for confirmation. You know what I mean? Like, very simple. But Mr. Sicko, why bearish? Why not bullish? Well, that was cringe, but I would much rather just, I want to see breaks above 156, and it's just not that I want to see, that's going to make it bullish in my eyes. Why my eyes? Well, because I'm sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years, right? So it's obviously not financial advice. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.